I always, well, actually, I never pay attention to when it says I have to make 2 of a certain part. So I always have to come back and start from the beginning. But this time, I'm actually going to try and do it properly. So, one there, one there. It's weird little curvy bits again. Let's give it some wings. Which way do they go? Here, like this, I believe. And then these sort of, actually I don't even know how you describe these pieces, but are they actually used? No, I think they're just detail. I thought they were going to be what holds this all together, these 2 wings together, but apparently not. Another one there. It's this piece here that holds it all together in the middle. And then probably something's going to go over the top, I reckon. No, never mind. Nothing is going over the top. Okay. So... Ah, I'm missing a step again. I need these pieces, these flat pieces on the sides. And then I can just slide them into place like that. And then that all comes together quite nicely. So now it looks like we're going to be adding details on. And we still got to do that trim around the edge. Really curious how that's going to work, because I have these ball joint pieces here, but I'm not quite sure what they're actually going to be used for. Okay, got some more of these curvy pieces around the edge. Are they actually going to touch? Yes. It is going to touch the light grey part. And then once those are on... Oh, that's interesting. So it's actually gonna go from the corner to the center. Whereabouts does it hook up to? Oh, it hooks up to the inside bit. Huh, that actually fits together pretty nicely. I was not expecting that to work like this. Sometimes I just wonder, how on earth do these LEGO engineers even come up with come up with these builds, like how to do all these fancy little details and stuff, because I would never think of this sort of thing in 1,000 years. We've got these little bits going off the side as well. 2x1 piece and then a 3x1 piece. I'm gonna be honest, that is really hard to see. That is really hard to see where these blocks are supposed to go. I think I can just see it though. So it looks like we're putting these mini wings here. And then these 2x4 pieces right above. Ah, so this weird piece here is probably going to sit right in the middle, I reckon. Okay, not yet. We're not getting to that bit just yet. All right, back to the top details. Okay. Adding some more depth to the centerpiece. And now we're back underneath again. Why the heck did we not do... Why did we not do this step? Why did we jump underneath and then go back up just to go back underneath again? What the heck? No worries. Is it... Do you pronounce that as Jassany? I hope I'm getting that right. Hope you have a good sleep.